What's up, squad? If you have been on my Amazon store, you probably already know what's about to happen. But this is an electric hand dynamometer for grip strength because I felt like I really need to take it to the next level. Maybe some of you guys on the channel feel the same way. And we're just gonna unbox everything here, and we're gonna go give it a test run so it can go off of apparently batteries or just charge it onto the USB. I'm gonna put in batteries because obviously it's quite dead right now. Oh man, I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm assuming high 100s, low 200s. I've looked at a couple people online and I don't know. Let's just see what happens. All right, so we're turning on the unit. I just put the batteries in the back. Turning on the, if I could close it. Yeah, can we close it? Are we allowed to close it? We are allowed to close it. All right, we just turned on the unit. You can store up to 20 people on here. So this is great for trainers on the squad that want to put different clients in there. Now we know from training on the ISO chain that 6-second contraction where it's at, and a lot of people on YouTube are only doing it for like 3 seconds, so they're not really allowing the strength curve to hit that max. But you know, we got that covered. We're going to take you guys along for the ride. So the first thing we're gonna do is put in my user. So I am going to be number 1. All right, and then let's see, how do we change it to pounds? All right, so we set it. Here we go, set, and then it changes to pound. Okay, so if you hit on, it'll switch from kg to pounds. That's nice to know. Okay, and then I guess we are just starting. Okay, so let's give it a round. Okay, now I'm gonna do a no cheat version here. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Oh my god, I'm weak, yo, I'm weak. 116? That's it? What? Almost don't believe that. I almost don't believe that, but wow. Oh, you know what? So I just turned it on again and it's asking me to do my age. All right, so I am user 1. Okay, I am male, yes. 20, 30, yeah, those days are over apparently. 32 years old. I am number 1, and we are, I believe it's set now, right? Yeah, because it'll just keep on cycling. Okay, so let's give the left hand a shot now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I knew that'd be lower, 107. Oh my god, I'm weak. I'm weak, guys. Wow. Not normal, apparently normat is what it says. Can you see the normat? I'm normat. Wow, this is depressing yet inspiring at the same time. But I'm excited for it. I'm excited to take my strength up to the next level. It's a little bit uncomfortable. I might wear a glove for this. Do I think that it's gonna mess with the numbers? Not really. Now I saw somebody online talking about you can just flip your hand upside down and it'll get a higher power reading. First of all, I don't know why you'd want to cheat yourself, but let's just give it a shot. So I'm gonna turn the unit on and I'm going to, oh, okay, start it. Let's see. Ah, 121. Feels a little higher. Up arrow. I'm still normat though. All right, and let's get the other side a shot. All right, so. Woo! So 116. So notice that it did go up. So if it's giving you a higher number down below, don't do that. You know, you want the most out of your unit, right? I mean, I do. So I would just recommend doing it out to the side like that. We will continue to keep strengthening ourselves. This is really good. I like it. You know, it's not bad for it. It's 28 bucks on Amazon. It has up to 396 pounds of force on here, so that's really nice to have a number that high. I would like to be able to take an apple in my hand and just crush it. That's one of my bucket list strength feats that I want to perform. And while the ISO chain is very good with the reverse curl, the wrist curl, and then the reverse wrist curl, and the variations with supinated and pronated. I just wanted something else, one more thing that we could do. That is the little test for the electronic hand dynamometer. Isometric training is where it's at, but progressive isometrics, where we have some type of way to perform progressive overload and not just for time, that is where we start to see scary gains. We can incorporate this into our work. 6 seconds left hand, 6 seconds right hand, 12 seconds a day, done. And then just continue to do that. Just like with the iso chain. Bruce Lee was doing it once a day. Each exercise once. Why not? All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing and review. We can always benefit from more grip strength. So until next time,